more tutorial, you want more content, I got you. What's up guys, it's Art Like Mike, and today we're going to be doing a time-lapse video that I usually record on TikTok with, and I'm going to show you guys my process on how I paint, color, and let's get into the video. It's going to be a voiceover. Subscribe. If you like what you see, subscribe. As you can see right now, I'm really just blocking off the shapes, trying to, understand what I'm painting. I like to break up the skin, break up the hair, break up even the fingernails, everything into different layers. So my painting process is simpler and it doesn't drain me. Feel me? Feel me? So the brushes I use are usually, soft, round, fade. The software I use is Ibis Paint X, which is a free software you can get in the App Store for any tablet, iPhone. If you guys want a list of the brushes I use, let me know in the comment down below. And if you want more tutorials, let me know.
Start a conversation, you won't have one. I'm not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one. We won't have one. If you don't start a conversation, conversation, you won't have one.
Take your time when you're painting. I can't stress that enough. People, when they start drawing, it be like, oh man, it doesn't look as good. Then you're doing this for 4 hours, 5, 10 hours. A lot of artists take a lot of time, bro. And you're gonna like the results better when you take your time than when you rush it. Because when you rush it and you look back at it like, I could have spent more time on that. That's what I want to encourage you guys to do. Take your time.
It's gonna pop.